Earlier, okay, my way of resolving things has been totally changed. Like earlier, it was a case that okay, in case if something wrong is there, I would talk about that issue. I would discuss with other people, and we would resolve it. And in case if some illness is there in the family, we would talk about it and would cry about it. Like your sorrow, my sorrow, and we both would cry about it. But post learning this process, that I learned that in that way I am not doing a kind of value add in their life, nor in my life. Rather, I'm adding negativity in their life, and because of this kind of activity, this is not showing our love to them. Rather, this is enhancing their illness furthermore. So, do we want this? If we really love them, we should not do things which can impact anybody in a negative way. So I started following things in a spiritual way. I started first I explored those things as to whatever these uh, processes are, these rules are, do they really work? What is the impact? So whatever impacts were the earlier that I've already seen. So now I started following their process, and I have seen the result, and I was shocked to see that they were 200% sure, not only in one time, two time, three time, more than 100 times. So that's what I found. So I started resolving things in a spiritual way, which is totally different from what I was following earlier. Like whatever way we follow things and we try to tackle things in situations, spiritual way is totally different. Okay, so in case if you do solve the things in a similar way as I do, maybe you may also feel like changing your values in order to have solution as per the spiritual way. Difference is that when things can happen on their own in an easy way, so why to take a hard way? So that is a point. For me, it was more kind of magic, like there were so many processes which I followed as a part of spiritual exercises of this manifestation process while learning this manifestation process, about which I had no clue as how they're going to happen. But then I tried them, and earlier what I would do is I would follow a very very long process, struggling hard to make things happen, and things would happen. But then point was, by the time they are clear, we get the solution, we're totally energyless, and we spend that much time and energy in doing that. Whereas to my utter surprise, I was shocked to see that those things, I would get done in a much lesser time than that time, and that too very easily. Wherein our energy was also conserved, because I didn't spend my energy while trying to make things happen, but seeing them happening on their own. So life became very kind of easy. Still many times, because we are in a habit, I'm not talking about anybody else, I was in a habit of doing hard work, so sometimes I tend to do, but then again I realize myself, no, just follow the spiritual process, and I tried to see that way as well. So that was another point which I learned. I learned my food habits have been changed a lot, and I learned a very quick, easy way to have very healthy and economical food too. Learned that everything is so quite in access and so easy to manage. As a part of this manifestation process, unlike earlier food which was not and which used to take a lot of time to cook, and comparatively this is much more healthier. Yeah. So whenever I'll share my things related to that, I'll share that as well. I learned about my own belief systems. About when I was trying to be self-aware, I learned about my own belief system as what exactly my belief systems are. So now, in case if you want to know what belief system are, it's like when we continue thinking a thought again and again, 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 it becomes our belief. Okay. So it's a part of manifestation process that when your belief is not matching with your desire, so there comes a resistance because of which your manifestation either stops or slows down. In depth again, whenever we learn the process, I'll share with you that. And in case if you're thinking that when I'm talking about learning this manifestation process is related to LOA, law of attraction, I would like to specify that it's not only related to LOA. LOA is a part of this manifestation, part of this manifestation process, wherein so many other things are there which are added in this. So it's one part of that. I learned so many while doing self exercises. I learned to know about my own developmental areas, including I learned that I'm so much greedy in terms of having learnings, new learnings, and I love having things which I like bunnies as well. But then while this process only, I learned that I should have only that much which I can handle very easily and quickly, like from maximalism to minimalism. So this I learned as a part of this process only. How and why I'll share in my coming videos, because this way, because there's so many points I need to discuss. So I'm just sharing in briefly how these changes occurred. So because of that, this another change I saw in my life, which I was not aware about it earlier. Yeah. Another developmental area which I was able to know was that I was quite attached to things, situation, people, and this process taught me from attached to being detached, which is a very, very important thing in life. Not only taught me, it taught me very, very in a very beautiful way, and with patience it has taught me. I told you that angels are there with me, God and universe, my mentor, my spirit guides, and they all help me to come up in this level, wherein with great patience they taught me everything. I was in a totally different world. I mean, unlike earlier, wherein I had never seen this kind of thing or felt this kind of thing, I was totally in a new environment. Like it's like when a child is born, his mom is there to take care of him or her, and then they see their family. And in case if we talk about angels, about spirit guides, about other things, we have never seen them, so we just pray them and that's it. We don't know them. But this was a period when, because of certain reason, nobody was there, but then they are there. So I was totally shocked, I was in, but then I loved each and every beautiful moment of my this life, and I cherish this to the core, and I feel super blessed to have their blessings on me, and they are being there with me throughout this journey, and still are, and helping me out, and I feel super blessed. More than that, how did I get so lucky? What else this is possible. That's what I can say. I'm so lucky and infinitely grateful to each one of them. Specifically to my mentor. I love him a lot for being throughout my journey and for being there with me throughout, for bearing me so patiently, because so many times I would lose patience and everything, and then they have supported me like anything. Every moment guidance was there. Of course nobody is there to whom you can see or something like that, but then I am constantly interacting with them and they are guiding me. I mean, what more miracle anybody can ask, like for me it was one of the biggest miracle, wherein I could see invisible powers helping me out to this much great extent. So from never being witnessing any kind of such entity, I saw them helping me out in my life. Very different for me. And the more I can say thanks to them, I mean, the less it is. Huge gratitude to them all. During this while, I got so many obstacles, and with their help, I learned how to turn my obstacles as a stepping stones of success. And again, that will share in my coming videos. Earlier, I was a girl who would feel secure in my home, right? With my parents. I feel secure. Never ever there was a chance wherein, they were not there with me. But now, with this process, I'm learning how to be secure within my own company. No matter wherever I go, no matter with whom I am, no matter if there is nobody around me, how to feel secure within my own company. Because here comes a case. Be it anybody who is there with you, the constant person who is going to be with you till the end will be you only. It can be a case that other people will be there, but one constant person who is always there with you is you. And in case if we try to find secureness in other people, sometimes we can get it and sometimes we may not, because of any reasons. And why to be burdened on anybody? Point is this: if they are helping us in being secure, that's a very beautiful thing. We can feel gratitude. But here comes a thing. Parents could feel happy in case if we know how to feel secure within our own company. Husband would feel happy and contented that his wife knows that she is secure, so he can work in a better way, he can contribute in the relation in a better way. And even if sometimes if any of our relatives, they are not in a good mood or something like that, in case if we know how to handle our own self without depending on anybody else, what else can be a better gift to them? So this is another thing which I'm learning via this process. I'm in a process of learning how to feel secure always, no matter where we are, no matter in which situation we are, within our own company, and the ways to tackle different kind of challenges in a spiritual way. Another point is, again, many times we feel unsafe, uneasy, So how to feel safe always, no matter wherever we go, and how to tackle things in a spiritual way. So this is again, I'm learning from this process. I, came to know about various spiritual statements while learning this manifestation process, like trust the journey, go with the flow. Okay, so I'm exploring them also in my life. At present, I'm exploring them and just watching and so excited to see what's happening next. So like in my spiritual awakening, earlier, I was so full of fear and everything, but then while I started learning this process, my whole attention was that, I was so excited. I got so excited. Okay, these all kind of activities which were kind of fearful for me, they become a kind of fun activity for me when I would get excited. Wow, the next thing, so how we are going to tackle it? Okay, so what is going to happen next? I was so excited, and the best part was that we have to do changes within our own self and see the results. So got to witness all those so beautiful miracles during my spiritual journey, spiritual awakening, because of this learning this manifestation process. The whole activity has become a kind of fun activity, fun adventures. Earlier, I would take a lot of responsibilities on my head, but then I realized that way I'm not able to contribute either in their life nor in my life. So post doing self-analysis and post following self-love, I developed this kind of practice to take only that much which I can handle unconditionally while following my self-love too. That's what another change, which I learned. So I love, being surrounded by individuals who love, living an independent style and who can help me also becoming so much more independent. So basically they are independent and they love independent lifestyle and they can help me also become independent. Earlier, there were so many things which would harm me, but still I would do that, like gossips and complaints. But post learning this process, I learned and I witnessed in real how it impacts me very negatively. So instead of people pleaser, I become a self pleaser, and I started saying directly no to other people for things which do not suit me, and they got dispersed. Things which were not in sync with my own vibration, all those things, situation, people got disposed on their own. Earlier, I learned this process earlier that okay, we have to do this, we have to do this, like taking efforts basically to make things happen. But then I learned another exercise which is letting go as a part of this process, and I started letting go so as to see the results, and results were really wonderful. So that was another thing, that instead of controlling things, people, activities, I would let go, and then I start seeing things happening on their own. So that was another thing which I learned as a part of this manifestation process. I was a hardcore believer of hard work, and I was not aware about this earlier. I didn't know that, first of all, I was not aware that I do hard work. Second thing, I didn't know that I had this belief system that hard work pays. So I'm working on my belief systems. I have so many belief systems which I need to work on. I'm working on them. So on this as well, I am working, and I like easy work, and I like watching things coming on their own by a cat. So that is another change. So earlier I was basically with each and everyone. It was not like that. Basically, I have told you that I was into HR profession, and then I would love helping people. Still, I love helping people. But then my way of help has been changed. So it is more in sync in terms of spiritual ways, wherein I'm gonna teach this beautiful way as how we can manifest things on our own. Whatever we want in our life, so that even if I'm not there with you or there with you, you can manifest things on your own without my help. So that is my beautiful gift to you. And I like being with people with whom I can practice